Hi viewers, today I'm going to take you through my very own lasagna recipe. I start off by frying diced bacon in its own fat until it's glazed. Add mince and continue to fry separately because you don't want the bacon to be soaked. Once the mince is slightly browned, you can go ahead and mix. In the meantime, you can start cooking your pasta. Add a little bit of oil so it doesn't clump, and also season well. While the mince is sizzling, add some onion, mushroom, baby marrow, a red cabbage, carrot, pepper dew, green pepper, red pepper. Mix gently and stir fry. Season with black pepper, salt, garlic. Mix gently. Broccoli heads. I cut off the stem because I didn't have time to peel them. And I like to add a bit of pickled jalapeno. I love the aroma and the spicy taste. I'm also adding a bit of the pickle water, not much because it's sour. Continue to stir fry. The aim is to get your veg to be cooked yet crunchy. You might want to close your pot just for a short while under low heat. Please check my recipe for mushroom sauce in this channel. I'm not going to show it here. Now all the ingredients are cooked and ready for the oven. Transfer pasta into the pan. Then you may scoop the mince and level it on top. Now it's time to cover the mince with mushroom sauce. Please do remember to check out the mushroom sauce recipe in this channel. Top it all with cheese. Cheddar cheese cooks well. You may also want to add some mozzarella just for the looks and for fun. It's nice and elastic. Place the pan in the oven at 180 Celsius degree and keep it there until the cheese is sizzling. You may want to keep it until the cheese is crusty and golden. Serve with fresh salad. Thanks for watching. For those who are not subscribed, please do.